This is the Tank M4 military grade certified beautiful AMOLED screen smartwatch that has actually won a series of 2025 design awards. It's gorgeous. It does all kinds of things. When you swipe down, you get controls across the board. You can modify and change these to your liking. You've got Bluetooth calling, 32 gigabytes of storage in this that you can put music, offline watch faces for navigation with GPS built into the watch, and you don't have to take your phone with you. All kinds of activities in here. You can set up training plans, workout records. Of course, blood oxygen, stress, and mood are added now along with heart rate. You've got different activities, weather in your area. You've got calendars. You've got a compass built in here, and barometer and altimeter, and an overall navigation feature, again, that can follow offline maps. Ambient temperature measured, a built-in flashlight. Guys, even a walkie-talkie that will connect watch to watch with no phones, no cellular, nothing, just right in the proximity of your group. You've got settings and more, which includes crazy things like sun and moon to show you where you are, when sunsets and sunrise are happening, moonrise, moonset, so you can time your hikes. Women's health is in here, world clocks, and much, much more. Now, when you swipe to the right, you'll get notifications sent from your phone if you've set that up. And when you swipe up, you get into a whole bunch of different displays here. You got a bunch of dots at the bottom, show you what you're looking at. This is your step count activity of the day. Tap it, you'll go deeper. This is your current heart rate information in a 24-hour chart, high and low. Again, much more detail. You've got blood oxygen in here. You've got last night's sleep time chart. Touch it, expand it, go detail in it. And then overall weather forecast information, highs, lows, UV is all available just by tapping on it. And a built-in stopwatch that'll run in the background. You can do lap times with it. A variety of different watch faces. Some are animated, some are digital, some are analog. Beautiful. You've got an expert design on this one. Stainless steel, fully ruggedized, rubberized bands, optional leather bands. You got a charging puck, and you can even get a puck that has a built-in battery backup so you can get extra life out of this already long life watch. It's amazing. It is called the Tank M4. Check it out.